Hello, today I will tell you how to register for a course here at the University of the People. Firstly, log in to your portal and click on My Courses app. Then click on the Register for Courses button. Now you have a list of courses. You can choose a maximum 4 and a minimum 1 course. You have to choose the course and then click on Next. Now click on Confirm Registration. It will take some time to confirm your registration. If it is a simple course, you will be registered after this process, but if it is a proctored course, you have to assign a proctor. Proctor is a person who keeps an eye on you during the examination period. For adding a proctor, click on Add a Proctor. Again, click on Add Proctor. Now you have to select the type of proctor. You can choose an online proctor, which is called ProctorU, or an offline proctor. We will go with an offline proctor. Click on Assign My Own Proctor and add the first name, last name, email, phone, no, country, city, and occupation of the proctor you have chosen. Then click on Add this proctor to the course. Your proctor will receive an email. Ask him to click on Confirm to confirm him as your proctor. Now you are registered for the course.